Oh, it's recording. Okay, hey you guys. I'm still figuring this whole screen recording thing out, and let me just tell you, I've tried like 2 different programs and installed them in my computer and they suck. Like, they're both awful. So QuickTime Player actually screen records and can do audio. So if you're trying to screen record, definitely do that because it's really helpful and easy, and it comes on your computer. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how to make yourself look more tan. And I decided I wanted to do this just because I just recently got into Lightroom, and it's really cool to see like how you can completely change the picture. Not like making it a fake picture, but changing just the weirdest like things you wouldn't even know like you can do. Okay, so this is a picture of me, and they're everywhere because these pictures turned out really cool. And we were in a little greenhouse. So to be tan, everybody's trying to be tan. It's like that awkward time where we're pale, but it's the beginning of summer, so we look kind of funky. So basically this is Lightroom, but if you wanted to use it in just a regular app, like Lightroom is cheap, but it's not super expensive, but it's not super cheap. So it's really good if you wanted to get it and try it out. I really like it. I've had it for like a month now. It's really cool. So I'm not going to give away a lot of stuff here, but basically to make yourself look more tan, you can go to the orange hue or the red hue and turn it down. Nope, not that. Maybe even this. See, like there's no red on me, but you see my lips are like changing color, so I like that. See, like it's barely changing, but it makes like a big difference, and you don't want to make it look blotchy like that. That's awful. Like, just like, see, that makes me really pale. That makes me tanner. Not at my full tan potential yet. And yeah, basically like you can just mess around with the hues. Like, I never really put emphasis on that in the beginning when I didn't know much about editing, but changing like saturation and stuff, you don't want to be like too red. I still look kind of blotchy. Here, we'll choose another one. We'll do Bryce. Paler than me. Alright, I'm gonna turn down the orange. See, his skin's doing really well with it. Oh my gosh, that's like tanning bed. See? Pretty cool. So just mess with the hues. And even like changing the lightness and darkness, so you can bring down the darks, bring down the lights, and he looks darker. I like to put no highlights in my pictures. What do? I put no highlights, something like that. I'm not going to give everything away. Also, making it more warm can make you look more tan. Like cold, that makes you look pale, like it's winter time, but this makes everything feel like summery, and it's really cool. We'll do some more. This is when I was so pale. I'm gonna get that orange little down. See? And that looks splotchy. Like right there is a big difference from right here. So that's really cool. This is another one. Right where it doesn't look splotchy, like right there. It really makes a big difference. Like, if you look at it for the first time, you're like, oh, okay, well, it didn't make a big difference. But like when you're editing, it really does. Let's see if the red will do it. See, the red's changing the colors of the flowers. Pretty freaking cool. So yeah, that's about all I got for you today. I'm not gonna make it too long, but I'll do more of these definitely. But just let me know what else you'd want to see. Thank you. Goodbye.